Right. Hello, I am Kayla Matthews, and this video is directed towards the integration portion of the corrective exercise continuum. And so my assigned muscle is the gluteus medius, and I will walk you through that exercise shortly. So with the integration exercises, we all know that it involves rebuilding that synergistic movement and simply just focusing on multiplanar movement rather than, singular plane, upwards, forwards, back, things along those lines. And so focusing on rotation, things along those lines. And so this exercise that I have for you guys will coordinate balance and rotation while still activating that glute, all in one. And so first things first, let's get a little farther just because we need more room. Grab our pulling machine. We want it to be about chest height because like when we're doing a pull, we want to make sure that it's right here, 90 degrees at our arm. We don't want it to be up here or down here because that depletes the purpose of the exercise. And so if you are pulling it out, making sure that it is aligned with your wrist. We don't want to be starting out here. We want to be starting up with our wrist aligned with our hand, aligned with our elbow. And so pulling it out, and whichever hand you pull it out with, that is the leg that's going to be on the ground. And so right arm pulls, right leg down, which means this left leg will be up. Making sure that this leg, same thing, we're not bringing it too high, we're not bringing it too low, because that does affect our balance, which also compensates and brings other muscles in, which is what we don't need right now. So right arm out, right leg down, up. And what we're going to do is we're going to rotate this wrist here. So the first movement is rotating this wrist and bringing this arm forward. And so we're going to be doing a single leg knee extension right here and bringing it back down. And so this activates the glute medius because same thing, focusing on that balance. The leg that is down, that is the glute medius side that you will be activating. So we want to be doing this about 5 to 8 times, each side for 3 rounds. And then you want to do that 3 times a week. So same thing, I'll go through it one more time. So first things first, pull it back, give it a little better demonstration, there you go. Leg up, rotate, bring, but same thing though, as soon as I'm bringing this arm forward, it's all fluent. So bringing this leg back here. And it's a faster motion, however, it's not a fast motion, just faster than what I showed you guys prior. And so staying slow and controlled though is exactly what needs to be the speed through the entire workout, because that is what's going to get the most benefit for whoever decides to do this exercise. So I'm going to begin my 10 on my right side, and I'll show you the left side, and that'll be the entire set for this. Okay. Keeping your balance is important. Focus on core and trunk stability as well. 2, 3, 4. We're just going to be doing 5 for now. 5. Okay. Now I will move on to the left leg. Same thing, left arm, left leg, right leg up. You can see I'm kind of a little uncoordinated on my right and my left side. 2, this also works on ankle stability. 3, and same thing, you don't want to be turning these hips out. Keeping these hips facing the front of the machine is very important. Yeah, keep this hip and back straight, because you can see right there is compensation. I want to turn my hips towards the wall. We don't want that. Last one. Right. That is it. Thank you.